Hey guys, it's Crystal aka Queen BRZ back with another short video for you guys. Today I'm going to be installing my HIC rear window visor.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast.
I'm really excited to be installing this window visor because, of course, you guys know me. I really like the subtle things that I can do to my car that just make it look really nice and sporty, and this is perfect for that. So this is gonna go ahead and go along the back like this. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit, but we have to go through a few steps before we go ahead and apply the visor. So the first step of the process is to clean the contact surface with alcohol and water. Now that it's cleaned with alcohol, I'm gonna go ahead and just give it one wipe down to make sure everything is all dried up. HIC provides us with this primer that we're gonna go ahead and put onto the glass where we're gonna stick the visor on, and that's gonna help the 3M tape stick better. So without further ado, let's get started. You want to make sure to only apply a thin layer of it, and then we're going to go ahead and let it dry. Before we put it on, we have to go ahead and peel back a little piece of each side of the tape so that it makes it a little bit easier to peel everything off once everything is set in stone. This is the only time where having nails comes in clutch when trying to do stuff to your car. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing this all around, and then I'll go ahead and cut back in when I'm ready to put it on. Next up is to do our test fit. So when I go ahead and put it on, I don't want to apply pressure to it because, again, this is just the test fit, and we want to make sure that everything looks symmetrical and in place. Okay, so I've lined everything up and I walked around my car to make sure everything was in the place that I wanted it to be. So now it's time to go ahead and peel back the red 3M tape and then apply pressure. Now that everything is in the correct position, we're gonna go ahead and use this blow dryer to heat up the tape a little bit since it is cold. So it's gonna go ahead and help it stick better. Alright guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, it makes my car look so much sportier, and I like how now it also accents my side window visors right here. But I love the super simple and sporty look that it gives. It just makes such a big difference, so I'm in love. Alright guys, so really fast because I'm losing daylight, I wanted to go ahead and install these rear smoked overlays for my rear tail lights. Before we apply it, we're going to go ahead and spray the surface area and then spray the back of the overlay. And the reason that we do this is so that we can put it on and then get it to where it fits perfectly and then blow dry it dry. Alright guys, so I'm here at the 8-6 meet at Cafe 86 and it's freaking cold, but I'm really having a good time here checking out all the 8-6s and then obviously showing off my car. Just a quick update, I did get the overlays onto my car. We lost the light so I didn't get to film it, but I'm going to go ahead and take a picture for you guys and show you so that you can see what it looks like. But overall, I love what I did today. All those subtle things that I did just really make the car so much sportier and so much nicer and so much more perfect for me. I just wanted to point out this HIC Black limited edition. If it is legit, it's beautiful. As you can see, it is right-hand drive right in here, but it's so well kept and I'm obsessed with it. I'm forever in love. Check it out from the front. It's in great shape. The paint's really nice and it's beautiful. Alright, so I just wanted to give a quick shout out to T-Fab Terrence. This is version 2 of his wrap, looking super slick. I'm loving the glittery paint look. It's very beautiful. T-Bat Terrence, do you want to come over?
How y'all doing?
Yes, his car is beautiful.
Thank
I love
you.
the wrap. It looks so good.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Oh, I love it. Yes. Yes.
Better than your other one, right?
Yes. It's totally opposite color.
It is. It's beautiful.
I have to find what is.
Wait, Queen BRZ purple, because I love purple.
I have to. That looks like a purple.
Yes, that's so pretty.
Yeah, that's purple.
I want this for my car. I need this. How much was that?
I got sponsored, so it's free. Yeah, I just pay Steven for installing. That's it.
Does anybody want to sponsor me so I can have purple lights underneath my car? Alright guys, so I wanted to give another shout out to this car's front diffuser. I'm really loving the stabilizing rods and I love how it goes up the bumper right up here. After seeing this car, I decided that once I decide to go this route, this is what I want. So, and then even checking out in the back, it also has a rear diffuser, which is really, really cool and a really nice touch. So props to the guy who owns this car. Alright guys, so we found the owner of the car. His name is Andrew and he's gonna talk to you a little bit about his diffuser.
Okay, so this is the FRS engineering splitter and it's chassis mounted to the car, so pretty sturdy, can take a hit, and yeah, you can stand on the front of it. But yeah.
That's awesome. It looks so good.
Thank you.
I was complimenting how it goes up on the side here. I love that.
Thank you.
Very pretty. You guys need to check out this Porsche 911. It's all stands out. It's super nice, super clean. It has this custom air system in the back. It has a nice custom interior and nice Recaro seats. I'm digging the wheels too, and you can see how stands out it is. It's so nice. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this video. I'm really happy that I got to end the day here at the 86 car meet at the 86 Cafe, and I hope to see you all next time at this meet. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did like this video, and tell your friends, and stay tuned for my next install. Until next time, Queen BRZ out.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too